Hey, I'm really happy to be able to tell you my experience with our new vendor, our new partner called HiFlow. And HiFlow is the company that we decided to use and go with for a new MIS system. We're a commercial printer. We're heavily into packaging, folding carton, light folding carton, and we were hoping to find the perfect MIS solution, and we found that in HiFlow. You know, everything that hits on all those bullet points. If you look at Smart Factory or Industry 4.0, having that total picture of the plant in real time with real data gives us the ability, especially us in operations and manufacturing, of what's happening on the plant floor at any time. And I have all the data that I need to assess the situation and make decisions. There's no solution that we could find that does the automation like HiFlow does. I have not dynamic scheduling. I no longer have to sit in planning meetings 20, 30 minutes to figure out how to best plan a job to make sure that it hits the customer's expectations. As well, how it's customized for our needs in packaging, folding carton. That's something that we haven't found anywhere else. It is going to change the way that we produce work here. It's already showing profitability just in planning, as far as contributing to the little steps towards realizing the ROI that HiFlow brings to Colonial Printing. We're a short-run folding carton manufacturer. We also have digital, so we have a lot of jobs coming in through estimating, entering into production, and we needed to automate that. And that automation saves us a lot of money. It takes out those non-value add activities and tasks and throws them away. I can take and plan a job with the click of a button and know exactly when I can turn something around based on the estimate, based on inventory, and anything that may be wrong, I'm easily alerted. If I don't have the paper on the floor and I need to put a rush order in for 20-point board, I'm not behind the 8 ball anymore. I'm predictive. We can really see how well we're performing day in and day out per machine. With the sensors that are integrated into the solution, a lot of the human error or the human components taken out of that. They're no longer 20, 30 touch points for an operator just to put the accurate information into that job so that I can calculate whether or not we made money. Evaluating software, and sometimes we're focused on price, we're focused on what capability of the solution brings to the table. We set it on HiFlow really because of what it brought to folding carton and packaging. When we're implementing something like this on a massive scale with lots of details, it's extremely important that you have a team behind that solution that understands your business, understands the pitfalls of integrating something new, a new solution, transitioning from an old solution to the new solution. With HiFlow, the people on the team were absolutely phenomenal in the planning and preparation phase. We always knew where we were at. We were always kept on task, but there's a lot of requirements that need to happen to integrate a solution like this, and they walk with us the whole way through. So one of the things that I've learned from this integration and working with the HiFlow solution is how it fits our needs for packaging, folding carton. Couldn't find that in any other solutions. So when we're dealing with die lines, when we're dealing with embellishments, whether it's foil, spot UV coating, all those things that come into making a really awesome package, HiFlow supports all of those things. It allows us to understand exactly what we need to do to that folding carton job, and it's extremely simple to understand. I can't imagine if I was a commercial printer moving into the packaging industry, trying to penetrate that market. This is a MIS system that will take you to the next level if that's your mission.
So being able to tie projects together is great, having multiple estimates, multiple quotes on a single project, because we have a lot of those, especially because, again, we have the three main departments that I'm going to divide between digital, offset, and wide format. And putting that, we'll have clients that have drastically, the products they want drastically different workflows. And one thing that I'm a huge proponent of is if a client comes to you and they want something, you being able to say yes. And is this something that we can do? And I didn't even mention, we also have partners for promotional product and stuff, so if they can come to us and we can just say yes to them, we can get it done, that's great. And one thing that makes that even easier is being able to tie things in projects, which has multiple estimators from multiple departments, it all working together. Yeah, that just makes it simpler and makes coordination easier, and which then means your overhead's down.
Having a schedule that'll be on the TV screen and everyone can see this is my machine and this is what job I'm running. You can have that high level overview, and your production manager sitting in his office can be controlling what is running next on each machine. I think that's going to have a big impact on our shop and our flow, and just being able to take all those different variables into account, from due dates to ease of switching from one job to the next. All of that's going to add up and make us more efficient.